Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix a common error in Google Chrome that says your organization blocked this file because it didn't meet a security policy. So let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type run, then open it. Now type in ecbl.cpl and press enter. This will open Internet Properties. After that, click on the Security tab. Now click on Custom Level. Scroll down and find the option called Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. By default, this may be set to Disable, which is the main reason behind this error. Now select the option Prompt, Recommended, then click on OK. Again, click on OK to confirm. This setting allows Windows to ask for permission instead of completely blocking the file. Now click on Local Intranet, then click on Sites. After that, uncheck all the options available here, then click on OK. This step ensures that no unnecessary restrictions are applied to local network files. Now click on Custom Level again. Find Launching Applications and Unsafe Files, and again select Prompt, Recommended. Click on OK, and again press OK to confirm. Now click on Trusted Sites, then click on Custom Level. Again find Launching Applications and Unsafe Files, and select Prompt, then click on OK. This makes sure that even trusted sites do not block downloads silently. After that, click on Restricted Sites, then click on Custom Level. Again find Launching Applications and Unsafe Files, and select Prompt, Recommended, then click on OK. Now click on Apply and then OK. So now we have adjusted all the security zones properly. These changes help Windows handle downloaded files more flexibly without blocking them completely. Now let's move to the next step. Click on the search bar and type regedit, then open Registry Editor. If you see a permission prompt, click on Yes. Now in Registry Editor, click on HK_machine. Then click on Software. After that, click on Microsoft. Then click on Windows. After that, click on Current Version. Now click on Policies, then click on Attachments. On the right-hand side, look for the option called Scan with Antivirus. Double-click on it. Now change the value data from 3 to 1, then click on OK. If this value is set to 3, Windows applies strict blocking rules on downloaded files. Changing it to 1 allows files to be scanned but not completely blocked. This step is very important to fix the issue permanently. Now close the Registry Editor. After completing all these steps, restart your computer. So this is how you can fix your organization blocked this file because it didn't meet a security policy error in Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.